Hello dear students, today we are going to see 2.2 The House Builder Warming Up Chit Chat Class 8 English. Question number 1. Make groups and discuss the following. First question, what is retirement from occupation? Answer, you stop doing your job, work, etc. because you have reached a particular age. Second question, when do people retire? Answer, people generally retire at the age of 60. Some retire before 60 also. Next question, for what reason do people have to retire from their occupation? Answer, old age, sometimes health problems. Some people who live successful life for a long time decide to retire for living with their families and enjoy a happy life. Question number 4. How do people spend their time after retirement? Answer, after retirement, most people spend their time with their families. Some enjoy their incomplete hobbies and some do social work of their liking. Question number 1. Discuss and match the professionals involved in construction with the work they do. तो यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन दिया गया है इस पेज नंबर पे. सेकंड पेज पे भी क्वेश्चन ही दिया गया है. अभी यहाँ पे हमें मैच करना है. फर्स्ट है आर्किटेक्ट. आंसर, plans and design the structure. Second, engineer ensure structure will be strong and stable. Third, building contractor. Answer, supervises constructions, employs worker and professionals, etc. Next, a carpenter makes wooden framework of doors and windows, etc. Mason plans and design structure. Next, a tailor does the flooring. And सेवंथ दिया गया है इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर. आंसर है ब्यूटिफाइजेज द इनसाइड ऑफ अ होम. Next question. Question number 2. A word can be broken up into units of pronunciation, each having one vowel sound, with or without consonant sounds around it. Each such unit is called a syllable. For example, to, got, will, see, etc. have just one syllable. Father, mason, builder have two syllables. Engineer, carpenter, construction have three syllables. A syllable is a single, unbroken sound of a spoken word. Syllables usually contain a vowel and accompanying consonants. Sometimes syllables are referred to as the bits of spoken language. In this way, today we have completed the warming up chit chat of the lesson 2.2 House Builder. Dear students, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.